Want to open a bank or investment account for your child in Jamaica? You must get a TRN first. In this video, we'll show you how to get a TRN for your child, no matter their age. Step 1. Download form from the Tax Administration Jamaica website, or pick it up at any TAJ office. Step 2. A parent or legal guardian fills out the form and signs it on behalf of the child. Step 3. Collect the required documents. You'll need the child's birth certificate, a valid passport, and the parent or guardian's ID. If the guardian isn't the parent, bring legal proof of guardianship. Step 4. Submit the completed form and documents at any TAJ office. Most TRNs are issued the same day. Step 5. Keep your child's TRN safe. You'll need it for every bank or investment account. Remember, there's no age limit. Newborns, toddlers, and teens can all get a TRN in Jamaica. If this video helped, like and subscribe for more parent guides. Check the description for the full checklist and links.